We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll show how you can perform the gimbal auto check on this DJI RSC 2 gimbal. So to start, you will need to launch settings by pressing the left side dial button. Here, look for advanced options, then use the dial or scroll the dial to navigate and find the gimbal auto check tab. Here, make sure that the gimbal is balanced and hold stationary before starting auto check. So make sure that this condition is met, and then simply tap or press start. Now, let's just wait for this procedure to be executed. So the gimbal auto check has been performed successfully. As you can clearly see, the gimbal status is identified or checked as good. The status is good, so thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.